Welcome back to another special video. We're making a chocolate whiskey cake, and it's from this Harry Potter Wizards of Baking show cookbook from last year. The link is in the description. I hope you enjoy watching this video. It's from the cookbook, and there isn't an actual link, so I'll put all the links for the book in the description. You can go check it out and maybe even buy the book if you want to.
Oh, yeah.
Place the same, this is a moment. My heart is here, my heart is clay, want you to mold it. I feel alone, but I don't feel that it is wrong if I'm alone with you. Oh, with you.
More than that. Okay.
Okay.
So that's 1/4. Instructions. What do we got to put in the butter?
Cream the butter, superfine sugar, and vanilla until light and fluffy.
Okay, so we need sugar. How much sugar?
How much sugar? 1 1/3 cup.
Okay, here's 1 cup. Here's 1/3 of a cup. So we'll start with this one. Third.
But you're holding me now. Yeah. But those that get an acacia tree.
go.
And I sophisticated, but I read Bible and then I meditated. Set my mind on the things above, so I'll be educated. I know my God won't fail me now. Through Him I'm elevated. I had to lower myself, tell Him that I need some help. Destroy my pride, let my flesh die. I know it's bad for my health. Thought I was fine by myself till sin took heat and I fell. Can't trust my flesh, it leads to death. The peep is moving so still.
There we go.
And I can't go back no more. I'm running fast, been there before. Satan can't have me no more. I can't forget I'm in a war. I grab my Bible, see a demon is done. When I say Jesus, then they run. But then I'm looking to my left and there's one. It said that weakness let it in and I'm done. God, what the heck have I done? He said you've already won. Just kill your pride, let your flesh try. Stay close to me and it's done. You need to lower yourself. Tell me that you need some help. Can't trust your flesh, it leads to death. Right now it's killing yourself. So you can't go back no more. You know you've been there before. No, Satan can't have you no more. Don't forget you're in a war. And I can't go back no more. I'm running fast, been hurt before.
Getting there.
So now we gotta add all the butter in.
Yeah.
Finding nothing about your grace. Finding nothing about your grace. I'm ready to go home, but I'm not quite finished. I've got an aching soul. looking all around, but I'm looking at you now. Everything on earth will burn, but I await your return. Ooh, with grace I can never earn. Ooh, oh. I'm ready to go home, but I'm not quite finished. I've got an aching soul, but I ain't giving in. The spirit is my sword, my soul is winning. Heaven is my reward, I'll endure to the end. Whoa, 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 'cause I'm not quite finished. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And what do we want it to?
Well, you want all the chocolate chips to be melted.
Oh, but they're not.
Well, not yet. Just want these to be up coated. No paste.
In that below is, you're in the moment. You're there to pull me out. I found the reason. You keep on breathing, you keep on keeping on. This life is fleeting, but I found meaning. I found a glimpse of hope. I want to live a life worth dying. You gave your son, so I'll give my life. Every minute that I'm alive, with every breath, it's part time. Life's a vapor, it's far too short. I'll waste it all on your love. I want to live a life worth dying. You gave your son, so I'll give my life. I want to burn with only fire.
It does look like it's melted.
Does it look like it's all melted?
Yeah. And now we just let it sit
Well, for now.
for how long?
Well, we gotta heat this up.
What part is this?
This is the cream and Bailey's.
Oh.
We'll do.
So the cream simmered over the edges, then you pour it over the chocolate and let it sit for 3 minutes.
If you pass by, would I have seen a child or a king? Would I have known? I wish I could have been there. My only wish is to see you face to face. Wish I could have been there, just to see Jesus face to face. For just a moment, I wish I could have been there. When you left your footprints upon the waves, to walk along beside you and never
thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and also season 2 of the Food Network show Harry Potter Wizards of Baking premieres on Sunday, November 2nd, and I hope you guys have liked this video, and we'll see you guys for another one. Bye.
Subordinate affection I have from sin, and I'm grinning and loving my wife. Always a jealousy, the way they look at me, or is it hatred for the shame to feel that I'm free? Give him one chance, open your hands. Jesus took my sins away, yours are covering you in stains. Give him one shot, make your heart stop. We've felt the way we've seen.